Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best handheld sewing machines you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many handheld sewing machines and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each handheld sewing machines so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a handheld sewing machine. First, check the machine's build quality and weight to ensure it feels sturdy and comfortable to hold. Next, look at the fabric compatibility, as some models work better on lightweight fabrics while others handle thicker materials easily. Consider the power source, whether it runs on batteries or needs to be plugged in, depending on your usage and portability needs. Stitch quality and speed control are also important for achieving neat and consistent results. Additionally, check for ease of threading, maintenance, and availability of spare parts. User-friendly design and safety features can make your sewing experience smoother and safer. Lastly, compare prices and read user reviews to find the best value for money. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.